I'm Duan. Welcome to PD Tech for another professional guide.
And I'm Peter. Smart systems lead to better margins. PD Tech streamlines the admin for Kiwi tradespeople.
Conversion balances act as a financial bridge, carrying over your closing totals from your previous system to ensure your Xero reporting is accurate from day one. If you're launching a brand new business, you'll only need to enter your starting bank balance. First, add your conversion date. Select Accounting, select Account Settings, then click Conversion Balances. Click Conversion Date. The conversion date is the date you start adding transactions into Xero. It's the first day of a month and should align with the start of a financial year or tax period. Set this date in the past or future, allowing you to backdate records or plan a clean transition from your previous system. Save the date. If you've connected any business bank accounts to Xero with a bank feed, you will need to enter their balances here. This will be the closing balance of the bank account on the day before your conversion date. You'll find this on your bank statement. Add positive balances to the debit column and overdrawn credit cards or bank accounts to the credit column. Xero's balance won't match your actual bank balance until you've done this. If you're moving to Xero from an existing system, enter what your other account balances were the day before you started using Xero. Get this information from your trial balance or ask your accountant. In accounts receivable, add the total amount owed by customers in the debit column. In accounts payable, add the total owed to your suppliers in the credit column. To enter the other account balances, click Show All Accounts. Click Add a new line to add more accounts. If you're unsure whether the account should be added as a debit or credit, refer to your trial balance. Before moving on, check that the debit total matches the credit total. The adjustments total should be 0. Once you've checked that all relevant accounts have balances, click Remove Xero Balances so that you only see accounts with balances. Click Save. If you entered conversion balances for accounts receivable and payable, Xero will automatically take you to the Invoices and Bills screens to enter those unpaid invoices and bills included in your conversion balances. In the Sales Invoices screen, click Add Invoice to enter unpaid sales invoices. These should match the total of the accounts receivable balance. When the balances match, click Next. In the Bills screen, click Add Bill to enter unpaid bills. These should match the accounts payable balance. Click Next to return to the conversion balance screen, and that's it. All the steps are now completed. Lastly, run a trial balance or balance sheet report for the day before your conversion date. Review the balances in the report to confirm they match the balances from your previous accounting records. If they don't match, find the differences and update the figures in the conversion balance screen until they match. Once the balances match, set a lock date in the conversion balances screen and click Save. A lock date prevents accidental changes to your finalized financial records, ensuring your historical data remains accurate and matches your official tax filings. Now you're ready to add your conversion balances. For guidance, use the Starting With section and click the Get More Help link, which will take you to our support article. So enter accurate conversion balances from the start, ensuring your Xero reports are reliable from day one.